Since 1925, our company has really been centered on innovating. We're always looking for the next thing in windows and doors. How can we make it better for the customer? And in particular, we're focused on how do we give the architect exactly what they're looking for so that they don't have to compromise on their designs.
Our design philosophy is based on an approach that considers the macro picture and the micro picture equally important. So one is in support of the other. We develop details from the doorknob to the generals of the building. So one explains the other. This particular project, the natural light and the way it comes in and activates the spaces was the most important thing to develop.
We are excited to announce the launch of Pella Reserve Contemporary. This is really a product that's about completing the portfolio. We launched Reserve 2 years ago that really addressed all the needs of the traditional design. And now we've got Reserve Contemporary that really hits the sweet spot for modern and contemporary designs. It's all about those square, flat edges, the refined details, the minimal sight lines.
Achieving simplicity is a very hard task, and that's something that we look for in everything we use, from materials to obviously the windows and doors. The modifications that Pella has done to improve on simplicity are very, very beneficial to the way we think about buildings. The profiles, corners that are not mitered, squared off, corners that are so important to us, all that collaborates in creating a much simpler solution for the entire building.
You know, this project is a great example of why I love my job at Pella. Our team is able to be involved in projects like this all across the country, where architects have done spectacular work designing with light, and we're at the center of helping them ensure that it meets the technical requirements and the performance long-term while providing the aesthetic needs and really nails that design vision. We love being a part of that.